Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. You know that a good movie is the combination of video and audio, right? Besides the beautiful images, the voices, the sound effects, and the music are very important to the success of the movie. In today's videos, I will be talking about why and how you license music. Let's get started. In the past, I often used the so-called free musics that people have shared on the internet for the videos on my channel. And then the music creator released their songs on YouTube and came back to claim all of the videos that uses their music. And yes, some of my video got copyright claim from them. Actually, just a couple days ago, I got an email from YouTube uh, telling me about a copyright claim from a video that I uploaded in 2018. Yes, 4 years ago. Even though I don't get any strike from YouTube, but the person who claimed the music gonna get all of the benefit from now on. Yeah, and that's not fair. And then the music from YouTube Music Library is 100% free and safe, but it's kind of boring, limited, and not really impressive. You can end up using the same music with many other creators. But problem like that is not just from free music. 2 years ago, I paid for the music licensing service from a popular company and used their music for my videos as well as my daughter's videos on her channel, which has about like 50,000 subscribers. After a while, I stopped using their service. Then one day, we received the copyright claims from that company on every single videos that use the intro with their music, including the videos that were uploaded when the subscription were active. It was a crazy time emailing back and forth with them and getting nowhere. About a couple months ago, I came across a holiday promotion from a company called Audiio, and I gave it a try since the deal was too good to say no. And guys, I really like the music that they have on their website. Let me show you. So on Audiio, they're offering two different type of packages that depend on your need, depend on how you're gonna use the music, the sound effect for your business, for your works. From either the Pro package or the Lifetime package, you can download unlimited music, sound effects to you on all different platforms such as YouTube, Facebook. But the best part is even after your subscription expires or cancels, you still can use the music you downloaded forever. The first thing when you come to the music library on Audiio, that you can find a lot of high quality audio. Let's say I want to find some soft music, slow music that I'm gonna use for a video that I am making for my YouTube channel. The video is showing some sort of test footage from a new lens that I just got over Christmas. So in here you can see a lot of different filters that help you gonna find the music that you want easier. You can find by the mood or the genre, adjustment, video theme, build, and even the speed, like the BPM, the beat per minute, and the vocal or not vocals. Because a lot of time you are not good at audio editing, so you always try to find some music that have the duration that just fit your video, so you don't have to cut the music too early or something like that. So I've been using Audiio for like a couple months since before Christmas, and I found some of the artists that I really like their music. It's very close to my taste. So one of them named Josh Kramer, and I really like his music. Let's try out some song here that I really like. try something else. That faster a little bit, but and this one have very good music, and it also have around like 2 minutes long, kind of very close to my video. So let me show you the video and the music when it come together. So how do you think? Do you like the video that I just showed you with the music? Me personally, I really like it. Without the audio, the video is kind of like very boring. But when we add that music into the videos, it's turned into something else. Very interesting. So as of right now, while I'm making this video, Audiio just started a new promotion program. You only have to pay $59, yes, $59 for the first years of using unlimited music and sound effect from the Audiio Pro package. I never seen any music company offer up to like 70%. This is a crazy deal. So just go get it and don't miss that, okay? I'm gonna leave the link and the code down below or up here. So as a creator, I hope you enjoy this video and get a chance to use the good music for your production, for your videos. Keep creating and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.